Are you unable to uninstall Zoom from the system? So if you want to know about this, then watch this video till the end. So first of all, you need to go to the control panel, and from here you need to go to this control panel, and from here you need to uninstall a program. You need to simply click here, uninstall a program, and find Zoom. This is the Zoom, and click on this option uninstall. From here just press uninstall and completely uninstall this from your system. Now you need to press Windows and R, and herein you need to type percentage AppData percentage and press on enter, and from here you need to find Zoom folder. So this is a Zoom folder. Just right click on this and click on delete. Now again press Windows and R and type in percentage local AppData and just press enter. Herein also find the Zoom folder and right click and delete the Zoom folder. Now you need to delete the registry key of Zoom. So press Windows and R and type regedit and open the registry key. So herein you need to go to this path. I will share you this path, HKey class root installer products. I will share you this path in the video description. And herein you need to find all the Zoom keys and delete them one by one. You can see Zoom phone call is showing. Just click on delete, and another Zoom is showing. Just delete it. Now Zoom is completely uninstalled from your system. Now Zoom is completely uninstalled from your system, and if you again want to install it, make sure to download it from its official website. And I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and in case you face any problem you can comment below. I will make sure to give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.